Uh-oh, buddy. We gotta get it. Oh, no. Oh, honey. Oh, your little nail stuck. Come here. Come here. Don't be afraid. There you go.
Do you like her bracelets turning out? Look.
Alabama is so jealous.
Do I have it? Oh, good. I'll put a can on this one. Okay, we haven't took these out yet.
Aww.
What's that?
Yeah. What are you doing, Maya?
Making your bracelet.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's turned out really good though.
Yes, it is. It's on your head. The dog's like, I want to get in on this action. Can I play with you? Can I play? Hope you're really quiet. Are you supposed to be up here? Are you, Alabama? Are you supposed to be on the bed? Alabama, get down. Alabama, get down.